Surab Gangolino Tripura Tourism ni brand ambassador Chongkhormani abo tabuk dak dikheno samwng nukjanani naithothok hastebo. Hasteni tourism tang bedeni bo go samwng je hasteni tourism no hayung ni thaio tlangai tonkha. Tabuk hasteni tourism thairok no naithothok khlaina bagwi hasalni Haste America tei England ni simi Haste wa phai phaikha khorok dok chini kaisa tourist bodol. Himalaya International Institute of Yoga Meditation Science and Philosophy Mothani Bakhakte khorok dok chini kaisa tourist bodol laithanai 28 February Tripura wo phai phaikha hasteni dal bidal thai beraye kokti salo borok phai phaikha rajakhor awlini ujenta prasato aro kok thumnai rongni buskango tourist bodoli naikol mungo tongnai remsong her saklaikha Tripura ni hukumu spiritual geographical te songdok beramni hukumu te borokni o hastebo beraimu aboni bisingo borok Tripura sundori Mondir Nirmahal Chobimura Koshbakali Mondir beraina khate koktishala ujenta prasad beraina bagai phaikha.
So we are part of the Himalayan International Institute of Yoga, Meditation, Science and Philosophy. And we have a group of 60 international delegates here visiting Tripura to experience the extremely rich culture that is here, both spiritually, geographically, and of the people. Tribal culture and everything that Tripura has to offer. So we are coming with open minds and big hearts to experience the best of what Tripura and the Northeast have to offer the world and share it with our group of 60 international guests here, and also to share it with our guests around the world through all of the different stories, photos and videos that we'll be taking along the way.
How you see Tripura?
Well, so far we have had a wonderful darshan at Tripura Sundari. We have been to Nir Mahal and Chabimora and Kalibari, and here we are at the Ajanta Palace, and it's been just a wonderful stay in your beautiful state and in this wonderful country.
Do you like Chabimora?
We love everything that we have seen so far. So thank you for the warm hospitality that Tripura has offered, and we will definitely be back again.
Sir, your good name?
My name is Ransom Hare.
Shalbaromui berai paye kokti shala haste yakanai phatar hasteni phainai khorok dokchi tourist bodol. Bio report Khorok.